चालू को लाइट
I'm not eligible. Is this me? This?
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, I can't see my. I'm very well disguised myself. Anyway, I know it's a strange kind of. It has a strange kind of prestige and exhilaration when you see yourself, picked up by Amul thing. I know Makbul was picked up by that, and Pansu was picked up by that, and something. Suddenly you start talking. Arey Amul mein aa gaya, Amul mein. So I don't know what is this yardstick, but and I try to be transparent. But I never knew that I would be so transparent that I won't be seen. So I need to come back to reality. Anyway, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
I have to admit that I do feel a small sense of achievement right now that I've made it to the book. I think in the last 2 years I've probably made it to the Amul ad about 6 or 7 times. Maybe 1 or 2 slightly controversial ones, but largely about the films. So thank you so much for that. Like I said, I think it's a brand we've all grown up idolizing in a sense. It's definitely one of India's most iconic brands, and I'm ecstatic about this association. And thank you so much for making Piku so special.
Good afternoon, and thank you, Amul. And let me tell you that the credit for this whole socially relevant campaign, I think Rahul deserves an applause, and also an Amul. मैं only एक छोटी सी बात बोलूँगा कि Piku is associated Amul and Piku, and our baseline is motion से ही emotion. I don't know आप लोगों को कितना motion का problem है, लेकिन let me tell you one thing. One Amul ice cream in the night, and next morning you see how your motion is. Thank you so much for coming in.
Is it called Isabel ice cream?
एक खिलाया एक ही खिलाया निकाला ना एक ही खाया उसमें सबने खा देखो जिसको मिला उसको एक ही मिला इसको मिला ही नहीं
Now, folks, we should launch this historic book, this historic cast, this historic film.
Sneha, she's the producer of our film from Sony.
तिवारी खड़ी वाटी
Hello, I'm one director.
क्या है चुप ना रे सोलो सोलो बैठ जा सोलो अरे बैठना हाँ थैंक यू
Okay, everybody. Okay, guys, best of luck. Best of luck.
मेरे हाथ में नहीं है उनके हाथ में वो करेंगे वो बताएंगे ना फिर बताएंगे लेफ्ट सर
I think more than just from a creative point, I think it's what Amul stands for and what Piku stands for. And I think in that sense, the mood, the essence, the flavor, I think all of that is where we found a match. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think Amul, what I've noticed as a brand, has always been one of those that's very, very rooted, very traditional, very,
Yes.
very Indian, but at the same time progressive.
Yes, I think it's a family brand, it's a family pack,
Yeah.
and this is a family film. So I think that there can't be any better association than Amul, I think.
Any thoughts on the association?
करेक्ट जो बोला बिल्कुल परफेक्ट
Kind of the measure for how popular you are to pick up subjects.
Where have you been?
Yeah. So do you think also stands the measure for how popular your film is? To pick up subjects that are trending and things like that. Kind of also the great
No, and I think also for us, it makes it even more special because I don't think they've done an in-film sort of association before, and I think that itself says a lot about the film that we have to offer. And like he said, I think the qualities that they stand for as a brand, I think they found that match, which is why they went ahead with this association. And I think it's not one of those forced ones. You know, it's really very, very organic. It just flows into what the film is trying to say.
Today we are missing Mr. Bachchan. We were really hoping to get to see the whole cast together, but that's kind of the way.
Yeah, I think he'll catch you soon. I think. Don't worry. Maybe in a day or two he'll all meet you soon.
Right. There's a question for the three of you. You know, everybody's speaking about the Salman verdict. As a part of the industry, any comments that you guys had, anything to be done as an individual, I would like to just say when you talk without getting into legality. What are your viewpoints?
I cannot give my viewpoint right now because it's too sensitive. Anything can be blown out of proportion, and I feel for everybody, people who have been who suffered, and the way people are suffering. I'm feel, but I cannot give any comment right now. It's not a.
But what about the whole project?
I can't because it's in court, subject is in court, and we cannot do that.
As a part of the film industry, how do you give your support to Salman, being there for him?
I'll talk to you about Salman later. Once let it settle down.
On what?
On the whole birth that he wrote yesterday, and of course the interview
It's very difficult because I was not in the court and I have not heard anybody. I don't know who is for and what kind of arguments has been given. So it's very difficult to give it and tell you what my point of views are, because I think the point of views lies with the court of law.
But sir, two of his films are in a...
No, don't. Hang on a second. I am requesting you. I'm requesting you. Don't ask about this because you know that this is in the court of law and we cannot talk about it. We don't know any arguments about it. No, what is apart? What is? There is nothing apart from legalities.
There's money riding on him right now. So, requesting you all to please take the questions related to PICU and the association.
I am as much a citizen of India as you are a citizen of India, and I think we will have to go by what our land of law decides, right?
Since the judgment day for you guys, the film is giving you, when you kind of, it's a family news, and you already said that how much budget we have and
Who told you it's a big budget film?
I know it's a big film.
Yeah, it's a big film. Yeah.
So in that way, I mean, aren't you like...
Did you do the research on this budget? How much?
I have no idea. Please tell the budget as well. That's a big question.
Why didn't you research it? Why did
I know the budget. I thought it's a big film.
अच्छा तेरा सवाल क्या? What are you asking?
सवाल ये है कि now are you feeling confident? Are you feeling slightly skeptical that now that the judgment day for the film Friday is coming out?
See, me as a director, no, I am not nervous because I would have been nervous when I was starting the film, but now it's gone. Now it's not in my hand, and I think whatever the people's verdict is, till now, whatever shows we had, the response from the industry has been quite positive, and that gives us a confidence. And let's see what happens tomorrow.
Ranveer has tweeted a very interesting tweet. He has said that your PICU performance is like best of your career so far, and he is not being biased about it. What do you have to say about that?
I think I take it in the same way as 100 other people have tweeted it. So you should ask me about those also.
So did any plans to make PICU a series and to have a sequel also?
Yeah, we are making it into a television series. About 8-9 sequels we're planning. Now, यार अभी फिल्म रिलीज नहीं हुआ मेरे को
बजट भी बोल दो सर.
मैं कैसे अगर मुझे सीक्वल बनाना होता तो मैं विकी डोनर का बनाता पहले, है कि नहीं? अभी नहीं सोचा है, कोई आइडिया आएगा, लेकिन सबसे पहले आई विल अनाउंस कि नो आई हैव गॉट एन आइडिया फॉर 2. कितने? काफी. ओ ये मुझे आइडिया नहीं है ये.
मंदिर गए थे आज, आप PICU के लिए गए?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
इसी से बन जाएगी स्टोरी, मुझे लगता है.